Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can exit outline mode on Adobe Illustrator CC. So this happens quite a lot when I use shortcuts on my when I use shortcuts on my keyboard. I go to the outline mode a lot, and sometimes when I even press Ctrl Z on my keyboard, it won't bring it back to the normal colorful mode. So what I usually do is I press Ctrl Y and it brings it back to the normal mode, as you can see. And if I press Ctrl Y to again on my keyboard, it will go back to its outline mode. So again, the button you want to press is Ctrl Y. And that's it. Super simple. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!